Today we're going to be reviewing Crumbl Cookies' new flavors of this week. And they are... Would you like to open the box?
I haven't even seen them.
I know, I went to go buy them, so she hasn't seen them. Bam! Yeah, they look really good, right? Yeah.
I like that one.
Exactly. We're going to show you what they are. So here's a closer look at the cookies. We have Double Trouble, Lemon Bar, Gingersnap, Birthday Cake, Christmas, Sticky Bun, and Peppermint Bark. They look so delicious. Look at this one. That one looks good. They all look really good. I feel like this one's going to be my favorite. And that one is a very Christmassy one. So yeah, get one more closer look because we're ready to eat them. All right, let's try these cookies. Which one do you want to try first? Ooh, Double Trouble. Let's do it. Let's do it. So this one here is the Double Trouble. I love how they put it together. Like, how do they even do that? But it's nice and warm, so that's great. Since you picked it, you go first. Ladies first, too. Oh, wow, that looks really soft.
Mm-hmm. Very nice and soft.
It's really warm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll pick the next cookie. Let's do the Peppermint Bark. I think this is very Christmassy. It's very warm, which is really great. So check this out. This is the Peppermint Bark. It has candy cane bits on top, some frosting, and the chocolate. And the chocolate cookie.
I knew you were gonna like this one.
Oh my goodness.
Is it like a brownie? It reminds me of the Starbucks peppermint drink.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it tastes like mint chocolate chip mixed with candy cane inside of a brownie. That's exactly what this tastes like.
You're right.
I will take another bite of this one.
It tastes like the holiday season.
It's so soft. So warm.
That one.
All right. The next one is Sticky Bun. This here is Sticky Bun. It has pecans or pecans on top. And the cookie is very soft, so let's eat that.
Apart.
I know, it's breaking apart as I'm showing it, huh? Here you go.
Okay. Oh.
Wow.
Whatever's on top is getting stuck to my teeth. What is it?
So what's on top is gooey butterscotch caramel. So yeah, like Isabel said, it gets stuck in your teeth, but it's really good. I'll take a small one.
I like that one.
That one's really good.
I thought it was gonna be a little harder, but as soon as I grabbed it, it was so soft, and then I bit it. I'm like, okay.
Okay, let's try the Lemon Bar.
That's what that is.
So this one is lemon. Oh my god, I'm not gonna be able to show you this. This is so crumbly for a Crumbl cookie. This here is a Lemon Bar, and it's so soft it's like breaking apart. Look. Mmm.
Wow.
It literally tastes just like a Lemon Bar.
I like how soft this one is.
But yeah, it's so soft. It was about to break in my hands.
Yeah.
All right, you can pick the next cookie: Gingersnap or Birthday Cake Christmas.
Birthday cake Christmas, because that looks really hard to bite.
This one here that Isabel picked is the Birthday Cake Christmas. It looks very Christmassy. I don't know what happened here, but they ripped me off. But that's okay. I just know that the cookies are very delicious. Oh, you. I know I'm gonna like this one.
They look like the ones at the store you always want. That tastes just like Christmas. Okay, what should we try next?
Oh yeah, Gingersnap. And it definitely won't snap because it looks pretty hard. But this is the Gingersnap. Looks like just a regular cookie. Doesn't look like there's anything to it.
It's sparkly.
But it is sparkly, you're right. Wow.
Sounds very crunchy.
I would tell you something about this Gingersnap. It tastes really good. Like, it totally tastes like a gingerbread man.
Yeah, it does.
Right? And so yeah, it really does taste like that. It tastes very different than any of the other cookies. Like, the other cookies are very soft, they're more fluffier. That one's a little bit thinner. So the Gingersnap's very thin, but it's still very delicious. It doesn't crumble and it doesn't snap. Out of all these, which one was your favorite? The lemon bar. My favorite, it's really hard to pick. My two favorites were the birthday cake Christmas and the peppermint bark. They were so freaking good.
I would have had that one as my favorite if it was only the the brownie part and they didn't add little chocolates.
I know.
Bar, like little chocolate nugs in the middle.
But it's still
it's really
very good. Yeah.
Ooh. It's mental. Sorry.
And the birthday cake Christmas is still one of my favorites too.
I really liked how fun they made this one. Like, it makes you so excited. Like,
The double trouble.
yep.
They were all very delicious actually. Like, just looking at the sticky bun was really good. Double trouble is very fun. Lemon bar tastes just like a lemon bar. And Gingersnap, I think it's more like last place, but the flavor is still very good.
My last place would have been probably that one.
What?
Or that one.
What?
I don't like things getting stuck in my teeth.
I know. I do.
But I like this one, even though it crumbles.
Oh my goodness. That sticky bun is really good. It has so much flavor.
Whoops, it broke.
Oh, it's falling apart.
You know what? Let's just do that.
Yeah, oh my goodness, this sticky bun. It's nice and warm too. Oh my god, I just want to bite up every single one again.
Yeah, we're doing the review twice.
As you guys know, or maybe don't know, is that Crumbl Cookies releases what they're going to release for the whole week on Sunday. And then on Monday, they start to sell them. So yeah, that's why we went and we were like, we have to try these out because this is the week for Christmas. And this box right here is a Christmas box. You have to get it for Christmas. And if you believe in Santa, leave this out for him and he'll come there, trust me.
You'll get better presents, maybe.
And also let me know where you live because I will go and take the cookies.
Silly.
They were all so delicious. Like, we've had Crumbl Cookies. We've been reviewing it a little bit more because they're just so delicious. And because of their weekly flavors. That's one of the best things. Like, you always know that on Monday, you can try new flavors all the freaking time. It's just amazing. They don't disappoint. Crumbl Cookies does not disappoint. Okay, one last bite before the end of the video.
Okay. Mine's just crumbling apart. Crumbl is doing such a great job.
Right?
Uh-huh.
The great thing is that tomorrow with some coffee, these cookies are gonna go so perfect. On Christmas Day, I'm just gonna buy a whole bunch of these. Like, I'm gonna get a 6-pack of just this cookie right here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're gonna be reviewing this weekly because we love Crumbl Cookies. They're super delicious and we love to share it because it's just amazing. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow.